In this video, I'll be showing you how to work the Intarsia technique. This is a technique that lets you use more than one colour at a time without carrying floats behind your work. This technique is used in many of our patterns, including our Rivers Tank and Sunrise Blanket. Today I'll be using Wool and the Gang's Alpacino Merino in Eucalyptus Green and Rock Salt Red. I'll also be using a pair of 6.5mm knitting needles, a sewing needle and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. To show you how to work this technique, I will be working into a base of stocking stitch. You will need one separate ball of yarn for each section of colour. On your right side row, knit up to where you want your new colour to begin. Then tie your new colour to the current yarn that you are using. Don't cut your previous colour and continue working the rest of the row by knitting every stitch using the new colour. Turn your work, and on the wrong side row, purl up to where your colour changes. To change colour, insert your needle into the next stitch, then cross the colour you were working with over the top of the new colour. Pick up the next colour from under your current colour and then continue to purl the rest of your row using the new colour. I'm going to show you that again. So knit to where you want to change colour. Insert your needle to knit the stitch as normal, and then again cross the new colour over the colour you were working with and continue knitting in the new colour. By crossing your yarn over when you change colour, it ensures you don't have any holes or gaps between your colour changes. Keep working in this way to create a straight line of colour change in your work. Now I will show you how to make a diagonal line in your Intarsia by moving the colour change diagonally across the stitches, one stitch at a time. On your right side row, knit to the stitch before you changed colour on your previous row. Insert your needle to knit the next stitch and cross your yarn over as before, bringing your new colour up. Then knit the stitch as normal. Continue knitting the row in your new colour. Turn your work, and on your wrong side row, purl to the stitch after the colour change on your previous row. Insert your needle as normal, cross your yarns over as before, and continue working in your new colour. As you can see, your colour change is moving across your work. Keep working in this way to create a diagonal line. There are many shapes you can make using Intarsia, but they will all follow this technique across in your yarn when you change colour. Thanks for watching!